As car theft continues to rise, protecting your vehicle has never been more crucial. Whether you own a sleek new model or a beloved old classic, investing in the right anti-theft device can be a game changer for your peace of mind. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best car anti-theft devices available today, highlighting their features, effectiveness, and ease of use. From steering wheel locks to advanced GPS tracking systems, there's a solution for every driver looking to safeguard their investment. Join us as we delve into the top options that will help keep your car secure and deter potential thieves. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the Cartman Vehicle Steering Wheel Lock Car Anti-Theft. If you value traditional security measures for your vehicle, the Cartman Steering Wheel Lock is an excellent choice for you. This classic design utilizes two sturdy hooks to secure the lock onto your steering wheel, creating a solid barrier against theft. The longer hook restricts steering wheel movement, making your vehicle a significant challenge for any would-be thief, particularly when they encounter obstacles inside the cabin. One of the key advantages of the Cartman lock is its versatility. You can install it in various configurations that fit your vehicle's specific layout, whether that's wedging it between the A-pillar and the windshield or employing another method that works for you. While installation is straightforward, achieving a snug fit requires a firm pull on the central ratchet. When it's time to remove the lock, you may wonder about the most effective methods. While techniques like shaking or drilling may not work, it's been observed that bolt cutters can easily snip the central aluminum shaft. However, the Cartman consistently stands firm against most attempts at removal, with the exception of the toughest models available. By choosing the Cartman steering wheel lock, you're not just selecting a lock, you're investing in your peace of mind. You deserve a level of security that combines a timeless approach with proven durability, ensuring your vehicle remains protected against potential threats. At number 4, K-Sentop Car Steering Wheel Lock. The K-Sentop security device employs a flexible cable that loops through your steering wheel and anchors into your seatbelt, effectively immobilizing the wheel to deter theft. The locking shell over the seatbelt latch is designed to prevent thieves from simply disengaging it, ensuring that the steering wheel remains secured even if they manage to enter your vehicle. While the K-Sentop's design is undoubtedly innovative and user-friendly, and it boasts a compact size that's easy to store, it's important to understand its limitations. It's always wise to combine multiple layers of security to protect your vehicle. The K-Sentop can be a part of your anti-theft strategy, but ensure you also consider other methods, like traditional steering wheel locks, GPS trackers, or even alarm systems. Moreover, while it may not provide complete protection, the seatbelt cover left behind serves as a reminder of your vigilance. If a thief were to strip the K-Sentop away, they'd be left with evidence that may lead to additional scrutiny. So while no device can guarantee 100% security, being proactive and taking steps to enhance your vehicle's safety can certainly make a difference in your peace of mind. After all, protecting your car shouldn't just be about deterrence. It should also be about creating a comprehensive plan that leaves thieves thinking twice. Number 3, we have the Tevlafi Steering Wheel Lock Anti-Theft. The Tevlafi steering wheel and brake pedal lock, your next essential defense against car theft. Think of this device as the modern upgrade to the club, designed to provide you with peace of mind every time you leave your vehicle. With its dual locking mechanism, this lock secures both your steering wheel and brake pedal, delivering robust protection you can count on. The vibrant visual deterrent not only discourages potential thieves, but also serves as a constant reminder that your car is safeguarded. What sets the Tevlafi lock apart is its user-friendly combination lock feature, giving you the power to control access to your vehicle. You can easily set a combination that only you will know, adding a personalized touch to your car's security. Affordability meets effectiveness as this lock offers a simple yet effective solution for anyone serious about safeguarding their vehicle. Remember, the key to any security measure is consistent usage. By integrating this lock into your routine, you significantly enhance your protection and deter theft before it even happens. Investing in the Tevlafi steering wheel and brake pedal lock not only shields your car but also empowers you to take proactive steps in vehicle security. Make it a part of your daily routine to use it, and you'll drive with the confidence that your vehicle is better protected against theft. Prioritize your safety and that of your vehicle. It's a small step that makes a big difference. At number 2, VG Motors LoJack for cars. The LoJack GPS tracker stands out as a reliable choice for vehicle security, primarily due to its seamless integration with law enforcement. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that if your vehicle is ever stolen, a silent alarm can alert the police without any intervention on your part. This tamper-proof device fosters a direct connection with law enforcement, significantly boosting the chances of recovering your car quickly and safely. While professional installation is necessary, it's a small price to pay for the exceptional protection LoJack offers. This system combines advanced technology with a unique partnership with law enforcement agencies, resulting in a security solution that goes beyond typical offerings. You're not just investing in a GPS tracker, you're choosing a comprehensive safety network designed to keep you and your vehicle secure. By choosing LoJack, you're taking a proactive step in protecting what matters most to you. The sophistication of the technology paired with a collaborative approach to felony recovery means you can drive with confidence, knowing that help is just a moment away should you need it. Prioritize your peace of mind and ensure a layer of security that genuinely enhances your driving experience. With LoJack, you're not just safeguarding your vehicle, you are engaging in a community effort to combat vehicle theft, making your vehicle a more challenging target for thieves. Dive deeper into vehicle security with LoJack and feel the assurance of knowing you're backed by a state-of-the-art protection system. And finally, the number 1 of our list, Phyton Remote Battery Kill Switch. Discover the peace of mind that comes with the Kill Switch Car Immobilizer, a straightforward yet powerful solution to prevent car theft. By cutting off your vehicle's power, this device renders it undrivable, effectively deterring potential thieves from making off with your car. One of the greatest advantages of the kill switch is its stealthy design. Since it remains hidden from view, it adds an extra layer of security that traditional locks cannot provide. You may recall the days when car theft rates soared in the 1980s. Back then, the kill switch was a favored defense. While theft rates have since decreased, the need for reliable protection has only grown. This modern iteration is more user-friendly than earlier models, opting for a customizable activation sequence instead of cumbersome keys. The ability to personalize your activation sequences means you have complete control over your vehicle's access. Although professional installation is recommended to ensure optimal functionality, the kill switch serves as a crucial element of your anti-theft strategy. By integrating this effective and discreet deterrent into your car's security measures, you take a proactive stance against theft. Investing in a kill switch car immobilizer is not just about protecting your vehicle, it's about safeguarding your peace of mind. With this device, you can rest easy knowing that your car is equipped with a reliable defense mechanism designed to keep it safe. Choose simplicity, effectiveness, and a touch of old-school ingenuity to secure your automobile today. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which car anti-theft device you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.